Good day, it's Rowena List from GettingItTogether.ca, and today I'd like to chat with you about confessions of a professional organizer. I know that you would think that as a professional organizer there is probably absolutely nothing that I need to downsize in my home. Wrong. Things are always coming into our homes, and so we constantly need to be purging and getting rid of those other things that are maybe no longer serving us. As I get ready to move, I haven't moved very many times in my life, and each time I do purge and downsize some more. And as I'm getting ready to move, I'm realizing that there are some things that are not going to make the cut in order to go. One of the things is photos. This is the bane of most people's contention, is their photos. What do they do with them? And who's going to look at them anyway? So it's really for our own personal pleasure, isn't it, to flip through them? I have a Rubbermaid tote that is my Memorabilia tote. You can see it right down there. And it's now overflowing because I inherited some of my mom's photos. Now I chose to take one photo album and a few loose photos from her collection. So it's not like it was just thrusted upon me. But that means that I now need to downsize my tote so that I can close the lid in preparation for storage and for moving. In that tote are a lot of very, very happy memories. But there's also some not so happy memories. Maybe of people that are no longer in your life for whatever reason. And do you need to keep the photos of that person? That's your own personal choice. I have big photo albums like this that are just filled with lots and lots of pictures. And there's lots of great memories in here, but I'm going to downsize these big, bulky photo albums and put them into, I've got two of them, I can condense them down into one, I'm pretty sure, by being what? Ruthless. The key to downsizing and organizing, you need to be ruthless. If you have any other questions that you need help with and want to know any more confessions of a professional organizer, there's going to be more videos to come as I start purging my condo. Check out the article below, leave your comments as always, and hey, if you're needing a quick phone conversation to discover some of your confessions that need to be confessed, just send it off to GettingItTogether.ca and we'll be in touch.